Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game like Blue Lock. Start by mapping the core loop, player choices, training, matches, and rewards. Sketch progression systems and stat growth to create tension and meaningful decisions. Decide on camera, UI, and art direction early to keep scope manageable. Prioritize a playable prototype with one arena, basic AI, and clear feedback to iterate fast and validate fun. Focus design on contrast. Fast attackers, technical playmakers, and defensive anchors that complement one another. Build training systems that directly modify core stats like speed, power, and accuracy to show immediate impact. Use a stamina meter and cooldowns to enforce tactical choices and prevent button mashing. Prototype match pacing to ensure moments of build-up and explosive plays that feel rewarding and dramatic for players. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty that keeps you focused during long dev sessions. I wear them when iterating late into the night, and they make long playtests way more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose an engine that supports rapid prototyping and community tools to speed development. Implement player movement with animation, blending, and root motion for natural actions and better hit detection. Build modular AI using behavior trees or state machines so opponents adapt to player tactics. Create data-driven character stats to tune without code, and use replay testing to refine balance and polish interaction timing for satisfying gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.